These are other planes coming in?
Yeah, those are other planes that are around, yeah. Okay, we've got that up, that up. Hopefully that will stop spinning. Six and 7.5. See what happens. I know. It usually stops up there, or it did last time anyway. We'll check it again at the run up.
Okay.
Alright, good, good, good. This fuel pump is off. Fuel pressure maintained. Good. Oil pressure's good. Fuel pump is off. Mixture's lean. Alternator's on and charging. Avionics are on. Vent. Small. Get it stopped. Bring it back into the... Alright, we'll see what we do.
VOR airborne receiver checkpoint out of service. Hazardous weather in effect for California and coastal waters. For further information, contact HIWAS or flight service frequencies. Use caution, birds in the vicinity of Concord Airport. Advise on initial contact. You have information, Lima. Concord Tower information, Lima 2053 Zulu, wind 260 at 12, visibility 10, sky condition 4000 scattered, temperature 14, dew point 02, altimeter 3015. Visual approach and use, landing and departing, runway 32. Notice airman, taxiway Bravo between runway 19 or right and taxiway Mike, closed except for crossing aircraft. Canaan NDB permanently out of service. Concord VOR airborne receiver checkpoint out of service. Hazardous weather in effect for California and coastal waters. For further information, contact HIWAS or flight service frequencies. Use caution, birds in the vicinity of Concord Airport. Advise on initial contact. You have information, Lima.
Okay, so check your pedals. No, don't slam the brakes on. Check left and push left and right. You're going to steer. Okay, left works. Right works. Now press the top to both at the same time slowly. Okay, your brakes work. Let go. Pull your seat up so you can hit the pedals. Okay. Alright. Okay, ground to call. We're on 2, we're on 2. Concord ground Cherokee 2863 Mike at the northwest hangars with Lima.
Cherokee 2863 Mike, Concord ground, runway 32 left, taxi via Juliet, cross runway 19 right.
Be taxiing to 32 left via Juliet and clear to cross 19 right. 2863 Mike. Okay, now you're going to taxi, so I'm going to give it a little gas. We're going to go out here, we're going to follow the yellow line. We're going to stay right in the middle.
So, right pedal?
Yeah. Just not yet, because we're going to want to follow the line, right? Just going to turn a little bit. Press the right pedal. Press, 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 press. There you go. Hold it. Now let go. Now we're going to keep a little left pedal in there. No, not a lot, just to counter it, because it's going to want to go to the right just a little bit. Let go. Feel my feet for a second. Just keep your feet loose on the pedals.
Oh, it's barely.
Yeah, so you're just kind of keeping it floating there, because the tail is going to pick up wind.
Concord ground, this is Scott 21893, holding short 32 right, ready for port, standby.
Scott 8903, monitor tower, coordinating for release.
Monitor tower 893. Ground 734 Fox.
Here's Rich, or Ralph.
Clear of 19 left Juliet for Sterling.
Where?
He's on the radio.
Oh, was that Sterling?
So, hold on a second. We're on Juliet, and we're clear to cross 19 right, not left.
Cessna 734 Foxtrot Romeo Concord, ground taxi to Sterling via Alpha Lima.
Alpha Lima to Sterling for Foxtrot Romeo, thank you.
Ground Skyway 3300, Tango's clear of the right taxi east ramp.
You don't have to get clearance to cross.
You have to cross the other one.
Skyway 331 Juliet Tango Concord, ground taxi to east ramp via Bravo.
That's Ralph.
Bravo, the east ramp 1 Juliet Tango.
Cool. Right, like, oh, this is exciting.
2863 Mike on Juliet holding short of 19 left.
And Cherokee 63 Mike, did you want runway 32 left or runway 32 right?
I'm sorry, you're correct. This is our runway.
Tiger ground level 61 at the gravel pit, would like to proceed back to Civic.
Level 61 Concord ground, proceed via Echo Golf, cross runway 1 left.
Level 61, cross 1 left, thank you.
You are run up here. So that's the runway entrance, and we're going to go out that way.
Oh, okay.
Did tell me left, and I wrote it down. I'm just a retard. Now we did our taxi. Now we do our run up. So we're going to turn on the brakes. Elevator trim set for takeoff. Primer is in and locked. Fuel pump is on. There's full rich. We're going to bring the throttle up to 2,000 RPM. Check the lights here, those work. Check the mags, 2 left, drop. 2 right, bring it back up. 1 left, down, 1 up. Good. Going to check the carb heat, there should be a slight drop. Good. Turn it back on, off, there should be a slight rise. Good. And fuel pump. All of our gauges are good. Oil temperature's coming up. Oil pressure's good. Fuel pressure's good. Turn the fuel pump off. Fuel pressure maintains. Bring back down to idle. Okay. Light controls, we're going to check her for incorrect one more time. Go ahead, straight ahead, we're good. Brake off. Now that we before takeoff, this is not a good thing. Work well for us. Not needed for our purposes, but it helps to work.
So if it's still doing that in the air, is that a bad thing, or?
No, it's not a required instrument.
Oh, okay.
But I sure wish it would work. But I see $sign. Okay, so departure brief, we're going to take off 32 left. We're going to stay local around Martinez so we avoid all these clouds and that precipitation. And the engine quits on takeoff and we still have enough runway, we'll try to land. If can't, we'll try to find a flat spot straight ahead that's safe. If it's above 700, we'll try to turn around and come back to the airport. We're going to do probably a straight out departure. And alright, we got doors, windows latched, you got that latched, this is latched. Belt's good. Carbon pitot heater off. Flaps are set, we're good. Fuel selector is on the right, pump is on. Full rich. So good, mixture set. Yeah.
Play. Charles approach. Have a date, 93.
Concord Tower, Skylane 111 Golf Golf is a 2-mile left base for 19er left.
That's a 1 Golf Golf, runway 19 left, clear to land.
19er left, clear to land, 111 Golf Golf.
Concord Tower, Cherokee, 2863 Mike at 32 left for a straight out departure over Martinez.
Cherokee 2863 Mike, Concord Tower, hold short, runway 32 left, traffic landing the intersecting runway 19 right.
2863 Mike will hold short, 32 left. We just need to stop before the red.
That's a nice plane. Blue one?
Yeah, like the same as mine or Mooney.
Mitchie 4's exit, turn left taxiway, Kilo, cross runway 19 left, contact ground, point 9 good day.
Okay, cross 19 left, ground on the other side, 4 X-ray.
And Chicago Concord is Mike, now current wind 25011, altimeter 3015, runways 19 Avenue.
What are the winds?
Just a little bit of a crosswind. Gotta wait for that guy to land.
He's just floating, looks like.
Apparently what airplanes?
That's a 4 Fox, correction, that's a 3 Whiskey, turn left to taxiway Juliet, cross runway 1 and left to contact. Correction, hold short runway 1 and left, remain this frequency.
Take taxi Juliet and cross 19er and contact ground.
So Whiskey, hold short runway 1 and left.
Juliet, hold short, 19 left, 732 Whiskey.
Cherokee 6 3 X-ray at departure, approved runway 32 left, clear for takeoff, wind 27014, gust 18.
Roger that, 6-3 Mike, clear for takeoff, 32 left. Alright, gauges are all good, airspeed's alive. For 60, rotate. Might get a little bumpy, it's got a crosswind here.
Okay.
Concord Tower, Cessna 90520 Delta. We're at the Pittsburgh Stacks with information Mike, inbound.
Cessna 90520 at the Concord Tower, and our left base, runway 1 and left to port 2 mile left base.
Left base, 19er left, 20 Delta.
And we'll report a 2 mile left base.
Concord Tower, we're going around 111 Golf Golf.
Cessna 3 Whiskey, cross runway 1 and left, contact ground for 9, good day.
Cross 19er left and contact ground, Cessna 3 Whiskey.
Cessna 1 Golf Golf, make left close traffic.
Left close traffic for 111 Golf Golf.
Looks a little nasty over there.
Tower 375 Delta Sierra, holding short.
Remember, keep an eye out for airplanes.
Concord Tower, V November 7 Kilo Quebec is 9 miles to the east, 2000 descending, inbound full stop with Mike.
Citation 375 Delta Sierra, Concord Tower, remain 1 and right, clear for takeoff.
Cleared to go, 5 Delta Sierra.
Yeah, 1500.
RV 7 Kilo Quebec, Concord Tower, and our left base, runway 1 and our left, report 2 mile left base.
2 mile left base for 19 left, 7 Kilo Quebec.
Remember 7 Kilo Quebec, traffic Cessna inbound from the northeast, also for left base entry.
Looking for the traffic, 7 Kilo Quebec.
That's 20 Delta traffic inbound from the east, a RV for left base entry.
Okay, we got him in the box behind us here. We'll continue descending down to 25.
Number 20 Delta ident.
Sorry.
I stepped on someone, Sagan.
7 Kilo Quebec has traffic in sight.
RV 7 Kilo Quebec, roger. This is 1 Golf Golf, runway 19 left, clear to land.
19 left, clear to land, 111 Golf Golf.
Wind 25010, gust 18.
111 Golf Golf.
There's our lovely marina. Oh, if you want me to...
Oh man,
And Tower 20 Delta, could we take a straight in for 19 right to stay in the pattern?
it looks disgusting.
Oh, it is.
That's the 20 Delta maneuver straight in, runway 19
they
right,
say
report 3 mile final.
Martinez, where the sewer
Okay,
meets
we'll
the
move
sea.
for straight 19 right for 2 mile final,
Literally.
20 Delta.
That's 20 Delta, report 3 mile final.
Okay, 3 mile final, roger.